Hi, my name's Stefan. Today I'm going to be speaking on how to divide for beginners. Now, when dividing a number by another number, it's merely how many times you can take away a number. So let's say we have 9 and we're going to divide 9 by 3. Basically, what we're asking is how many times can we take 3 away from 9? So let's say we have 9 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First, I'm going to take away 3 from it. 1, 2, 3. I've done that one time. And now I'm going to take away 3 again. We're left with 6 here. 1, 2, 3. We've done that another time. Now I'm going to take away 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, boom. So we were able to take away 3 from 9 3 times. So that's our answer. 9 divided by 3 is equivalent to 3. And that's the concept of dividing.